Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix your financial planning with Mint, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Mint website. If you don't have a Mint account yet, click on the sign up button. Enter your email address and create a secure password for your account. Follow the prompts to set up your profile, providing necessary information about your financial situation. Once your account is created, log in using your email and password. You will be directed to your Mint dashboard, where you'll see an overview of your finances. To add accounts, click on the Add Accounts button on the top menu. Select the type of accounts you want to link, such as bank accounts, credit cards, or loans. Input your login credentials for each account you wish to connect securely. Mint will then pull in your financial data, giving you a comprehensive view of your accounts. Next, navigate to the Budget section on the left-hand menu. Click on Create a Budget to start setting your spending limits for different categories. Select the categories you want to include, such as groceries, entertainment, and utilities. Set realistic budget limits for each category, based on your spending habits. Once you save your budget, Mint will track your spending against these limits. To monitor your progress, regularly check the Overview tab for insights on your spending versus budget. If you notice any overspending, adjust your budgets as needed to stay on track. Explore the Goals feature to set and manage financial goals, like saving for a vacation or paying off debt. Input the details for your goals and Mint will help you track your progress. For a more detailed analysis, check out the Trends section to see how your spending habits change over time. Review your transactions regularly to ensure they are categorized correctly. Finally, take advantage of the free educational resources Mint offers to improve your financial knowledge. With consistent use of Mint, you'll gain better control of your financial planning. Make it a habit to log in frequently and stay engaged with your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.